A fresh warning this evening for Jamaicans to redouble their efforts to protect themselves from COVID-19. Minister of Local Government Desmond McKenzie issued the warning amid an explosion of COVID-19 cases globally. Experts believe the cases are being driven by the bitter winter gripping some countries, many of which are Jamaica's international travel partners.
COVID is still alive and active. I want to use today's opportunity to remind you that you must still wear your mask.
Mr. McKenzie was speaking at a Christmas street in Western Kingston where dozens of persons were affected, including the elderly. And he stressed that the elderly and other vulnerable groups must be safeguarded, especially with the threat of COVID-19 again growing.